Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm going to be showing you how to do a super cute hairstyle for the holidays. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the new Beachwaver Glitter B1. So all you're going to want to do is take the Beachwaver with the clamp facing towards the front and you're going to place it in. Then you're going to press this arrow to curl it up. And then I like to put my ends in to get a little bit more of a defined curl. Then you hold for 5 seconds. And then release, and then you get that super bouncy.